Over the past couple of decades, two of the biggest concerns in the electronics manufacturing market is the failure of solder joints and a battle to keep manufacturing yields higher. There are a number of reasons, but the main causes are the miniaturization of components and the lack of lead in solder, due to RoHS requirements. In a normal circuit assembly, the component legs, pads, or balls are adhered to the PCB pad on the bottom of the said component leg, pad, or ball only. This has become a significant problem for many companies, especially in critical applications where the influences such as shock and other environmental stimuli are an issue. Schmartboard believes that they have a patented solution resulting in greater circuit assembly reliability and a significant improvement in manufacturing yields. Here's the Schmartboard solution, called SmartReliability. Instead of the component connected on just the bottom of each leg, the component legs are in a pocket, made from a higher solder mask. The bottom, sides, and top of the legs, pads, and balls are then enveloped in solder. Shock, temperature, and other physical influence will no longer be a concern. Additionally, assembly yields are improved as small parts are less likely to move during the manufacturing process, greatly increasing problem yields. The best news is that new materials or processes are not required. It uses the same popular substrates such as FR4. This works for all IC package types. Schmartboard is now inviting communication requests with companies who need this solution. For details and to contact us regarding this, go to smartboard.com/smartreliability today.